Good morning, Takoradi, Ghana. So there is a vessel, a general cargo vessel, passing on our, going to cross on our forward. She's coming from our left side or port side. She'll be picking a pilot ahead of us. So look at the weather here in Takoradi, Ghana. It is cloudy skies. It has a lot of rain clouds. Maybe in a few minutes rain will be heavy rain will be coming to us. So now this general cargo vessel almost crossing ahead to us. So on the other side there is another anchored vessel and a small boat over there. So it is what it is, the life and journey of